So Derrick Rose's health and his knees made a major comeback. Now it's Derrick Rose's time to make a comeback. Derrick Rose says he doesn't want fame. He's still playing in the NBA for his son. And he said, I can still play. And Derrick Rose is also betting on himself to shine with the Cavs this year. And playing with LeBron James, it couldn't get any easier for Derrick Rose. Derrick Rose said, when I get on a good team, which he is now with the Cavs playing with LeBron James, he said, when I get on a good team and I'm still hooping the same way, what are you going to say then? The only thing that you can say is that I can still play. Derrick Rose also talked about his son. He said, that's the only reason that I'm still playing. My dad wasn't around, so my mom was that figure for me. I want to be the example to my son, the dad that I didn't have. Derrick Rose said, I'm grinding. I'm putting everything on myself. I'm betting on myself. And I'm on a good team with great players, a great supporting cast. What more can I ask for? I'm on stage. I've been dying to be on since I've been in the NBA, and I'm blessed that they even looked at me and considered bringing me on this team. Now, of course, we all don't expect the MVP Derrick Rose. We all just want to see Derrick Rose play with LeBron James. But of course, Derrick Rose is going to be starting for the Cavs. But I believe that once Isaiah Thomas comes back, he's definitely going to be on bench. In 64 games for the Knicks last season, Derrick Rose averaged 18 points per game on 47% shooting from the field. So man, hopefully Derrick Rose comes back and he can really go out there and ball. So Derrick Rose saying he's playing in the NBA despite all his injuries because of his son. We gotta give him some respect for that. And he said he can still ball. So now Derrick Rose, the time to talk is over. We gotta see you out there balling with LeBron James and the Cavs. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section, and I'm out.